Hello and welcome. Today we've got this Bosch GSH5CE chipping hammer. Anyway, there's two lights on here. There's a red light and a green light. The green light should be on, the red light shouldn't. So I'm going to show you what to do if your Bosch is stuck in the red light zone. The main issue when this light comes on is that the brushes need change. So that's the first thing you need to do. So we're going to unplug it. It's very important to unplug these corded tools. I work a lot of cordless and sometimes I have to remind myself we have to unplug, and we need to get this cover off. It's quite an easy fix, to be quite honest with you, and you just need like a 5mm Allen key or hexagon, but just to remove this screw. This screw can come all the way out, or you can leave it on a wee bit like that, but it doesn't matter if it comes all the way out. And this cover just pulls straight off. As we can see, the brushes are all the way down there. You see that? And there's an extra wire on this side, and that's what's actually stopping it working. That's a good thing that they have in these Bosch, and they have in a lot of things as well. It stops the brush working. Stops the machine working when the brushes get so low. We'll see if we get this slid out till you have a look. And you see that little stopper there? Once it gets worn, that's on a spring and that pops out, and it tells the drill to stop working, throws on the red light. So that's 100% what's wrong with this. We just got to get a new set on, and in true business style, I have a brand new set here. Just remove those two wires there, this one and this one, and these brushes are sided. I'm going to show you they're both the same except for one little feature, like I mentioned before, the extra wire on this side. This one's only got one wire for the other side, so they are sided. A lot of time you can't go wrong with brushes, they're not sided, but these are. So we're just going to get these on. It shouldn't be a very difficult job. Get the wires back on again. That's it. And this one goes on like this. And you keep the wire out of the way of the cover. I will turn it over and do the same on the other side with this other brush. This is the other side, and again, excessive wear. They wore out nice and even. They just reached the end of their natural life, as it were. They're just worn out, you know. There. And here we go. Same again. Let's get that on there. Drop that on. Push that into position. And then just get the that slid on. When you're in there, you're as well just to look at these white wires to make sure they're correctly on. See, that's perfect on this side as well. I'll turn it over again here. And because I replaced brushes in one last week, and I have to tell you, the guy came back, says that keeps cutting out. This spade terminal had got damaged, I hadn't seen it, and it had to be soldered on to stay on. So it was good that that's all it was, but you know, you need to be mindful of those things sometimes. So everything else looks hunky-dory. So we'll just put the cover on and see if we can get her going. So there we are, that's on now. We'll just get a wider shot for you and we'll plug her in and see if she goes. So here we are, a nice wide shot of the machine. I'm going to plug it in and see what lights come on now. So hopefully just the green one. Hopefully just the green one. Yeah, as you see, just the green light on there now. And we'll try and see if it goes. I'm calling that fixed. So that's what you do if your Bosch is stuck in the red light zone. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.